In this lecture, we will learn how to calculate the magnitude and phase of a complex number using Python. Suppose we have a complex number 5 plus 6j, where 5 is the real part and 6 is the imaginary part of the complex number. From our theory, we know that the magnitude of a complex number is calculated as the square root of the sum of the squares of the real part and the imaginary part. So here we square the real part of the complex number, and here we square the imaginary part. In this way, we can calculate the magnitude of the complex number. Next, the angle with the positive real axis is also very simple to calculate. We use a method called angle in NumPy. So we type np.angle. This allows us to calculate the angle of the complex number with respect to the positive real axis. One very important point to remember is that this method returns the angle in radians. If we want the angle in degrees, we multiply the result by 50, 7.3 to convert from radians to degrees. Let's run this cell and see the values. The magnitude of the complex number is 7.81. The angle in radians is 0.87 and the angle in degrees is 50.19. Now, we can visualize these values on a complex plane. Running the next cell, we see our complex number 5 plus 6j. The red line represents the magnitude of the complex number, which we calculated as 7.81. The angle of the complex number with the positive real axis is approximately 50 degrees, slightly larger than 45 degrees. In this way, we can calculate the magnitude and phase of a complex number using Python, and we can also observe these values visually on a complex plane.